the cloud forest. And look at how beautiful the falls is behind us. That's a huge falls. How did they put all those plants in there? Galing. So we are now up and exploring. Amazing. I love it. I love it. Welcome to Singapore, and again we are visiting another popular spot here in Singapore, and it is the Gardens by the Bay. Okay, come on, let's explore Gardens by the Bay. Apparently there are two must-see places here in Gardens by the Bay. One or three, I think. Well, one is the Flower Dome, one is the Cloud Forest, and one are the super trees. So we just need to find out where to buy the tickets. Says over there. What do I buy? Okay, so you can visit two conservatories, the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest, which is $20 for adults, or you can just have one conservatory, which is a Flower Dome or Cloud Forest, which is $12. Oh, that's local resident rate, huh? So it's more expensive for non. Looks like it's a busy day today. Okay.
How many tickets you need?
4. We are non-locals.
Okay, going for both the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest?
Yes.
Okay, so 4 adults, huh?
Yeah, well, a child 15 years old is
considered adult. So 4 adults, that will be $112.
okay. Welcome to the Cloud Forest. Okay, this is refreshing. Welcome to the Cloud Forest, honey. What do you think?
So many people.
What do you think of the falls? This is nice. So yes, this is the largest indoor falls in the world, and it's so beautiful. It is refreshing especially because it's hot outside. How do you find the Cloud Forest? Well, that's the falls of the Cloud Forest. It's pretty cool. Okay. Right, so now let's explore the rest of the Cloud Forest. Look at that plants. This is beautiful. I think I like this one. Sean, look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, this is definitely lovely. Look at all the plants over there. It's so nice. Ah, don't you wish you have that at home? We like the cloud forest more than the flower dome. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. It looks so nice. Look at that. The way they've planted all the plants in there, it's amazing. How did they plant those plants in there? That's my question. And I wonder how many years it took them to actually grow those plants. But look at that. It's amazing. I love it. I love it! And we're going up there. Let's go up to the Lost World. Oh my gosh. We are so high. I'm scared. But look at that. Woohoo! That's where we came from. That's where we entered. So we're doing the cloud walk right now. We're basically on top of the dome. And these are the plants that I was talking about earlier, which I like so much. Oh my god, it's a bit scary here, to be honest. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so scary. Now we're going to the waterfall here.
Someone's taking the wedding photos. Someone's taking the wedding photos here.
Where? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's all wet.
This is the view from the tree walk, what they call. We were up there earlier. It looks like what?
It looks like a roller coaster.
A roller coaster. It looks like to me like a movie set in the future.